Hi, welcome to this video on whether FP&A certification is worth it. In today's highly competitive job market, many professionals are looking for ways to stand out and advance their careers. One of the popular way to do this is by earning a certification in FP&A. In this video, we'll explore what the FPAC certification is, its value in the job market, and whether it's worth the time and money investment. So let's get started. The FPAC certification, or the Certified Corporate Financial Planning and Analysis credential, is a globally recognized designation in the FP&A community. It is offered by the Association of Finance Professionals, which is considered to be one of the more prestigious certifications in the FP&A community. To earn the FPAC certification, candidates must pass a two-part comprehensive exam that assesses their knowledge of business acumen as well as their ability to apply that acumen to real-world scenarios. The exam covers a variety of topics including corporate financial reporting, financial analysis, budgeting and forecasting, business strategy, risk management, and communication and presentation skills. Earning a FPAC certification can provide a number of benefits for professionals in this field. First and foremost, it demonstrates a commitment to the profession and a willingness to invest time and resources to advance one's career. It also provides a comprehensive understanding of the core FP&A concepts, which can help you make better business decisions and improve your organization's performance. In addition to these benefits, earning a FPAC certification can also lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. According to the AFP, professionals who hold the FP&A certification earn on an average 16% more than those without the certification. They are also more likely to be promoted to a higher level position and to have more job opportunities available to them. In addition, earning the certification can also help you stand out in a crowded job market. With so many job applications applying for the same position, having a certification can make you more attractive to potential employers, giving you a competitive edge in the hiring process. Overall, earning a FPAC certification can provide a number of benefits, from better job opportunities to higher salaries and improved performance in the job. But is it worth the investment of your time and money? Let's find out. Before we do that, let's see how much does the FPAC certification cost. The cost of the FPAC exam is about $1,000 for AFP members and $1,100 for non-AFP members. There is also an optional exam prep platform that costs another $1,100 for members and $1,200 for non-members. The exam preparation platform includes things like the comprehensive study materials, practice exam, online flashcards, and interactive videos. Please note that these are just estimates that I am providing, and the actual cost may slightly vary. It will be best if you check the AFP website for the most up to date information. Next, let's talk about how much time is required for the FP&A exam prep. The time required will vary depending on your individual experience and learning style. However, on an average, it is recommended that you should keep aside at least 80 to 100 hours per exam. This includes 50 to 60 hours of study time and about 20 to 30 hours of taking practice exams. So, whether the FP&A certification is worth it, it will depend on a number of factors, including your career goals, demand in the job market, and available resources. For some professionals, earning a FPAC certification is essential for advancing your career and achieving your goals, while for others, it may not be necessary or practical. One factor to consider is the job market demand. While FP&A certification can be a valuable asset in the job market, it may not be in high demand in all industries or all geographies. So, before investing the time and money in earning the certification, it's important that you research the job market in your area and determine whether there is a demand for the certification. Another factor to consider is the cost. The cost of the exam and the study material can add up quickly, and for some people, this may not be a feasible investment. So, before committing to the certification, it's important that you assess your financial resources and determine if it is worth the return on investment. Finally, it's important to consider your career goals and if the certification aligns with the career goals. In summary, whether the FP&A certification is worth it depends on factors like the job market demand, cost, and your career goals. So, before investing the time and money, it's important that you assess these factors and determine whether this investment is worth it for you. That's all for today's video on whether the FPA certification is worth it. We discussed the benefits of the FPAC certification, the time and the costs involved, and whether it's worth for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on FP&A. Also, do check out my book all about FP&A where I cover everything you need to know before you start your FP&A journey. I hope this video has helped you determine whether the FP&A certification is worth for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.